I recently bought and tested some of the most popular ellipticals on the market so you don't have to waste your money. I know how overwhelming it can be to choose the right equipment, especially with so many options out there. That's why I've put these top 5 ellipticals to the test, and I'm here to share my honest experiences with each of them, helping you make an informed decision. Product number 1, Putnam Under Desk Elliptical. When I first unboxed the Putnam Under Desk Elliptical, I was struck by its compact design. Weighing in at just 13.7 pounds, I found it to be incredibly portable, which is essential for someone like me who loves to move things around. The vibrant orange color immediately added a pop of energy to my home office. As I set it up underneath my desk, I was eager to see how it would fit into my daily routine. With 12 adjustable speeds in both manual and auto modes, I was excited by the prospect of customizing my workouts. The manual mode, with its 12 speed levels, offered me the flexibility to control my intensity, while the auto mode with P1 to P3 settings made it easy to switch things up without much thought. This versatility is a game changer for anyone looking to engage different muscle groups or simply get some movement in while working. The low-impact nature of this elliptical was a major selling point for me. I often feel the strain from long hours of sitting, and I was thrilled to find that this machine was designed to be gentle on the joints while still being effective. Whether I was working on a report or catching up on my favorite show, I could pedal away without worrying about discomfort. The silent wheel technology was another highlight. I could work out without disturbing my partner or pets, which is a significant plus in our small apartment. Tracking my progress was made simple with the built-in LCD display, which showed speed, distance, time, and calories burned in real time. This feature kept me motivated as I could see my progress at a glance. The remote control was a thoughtful addition, allowing me to adjust settings without bending over and straining my back. I did have to purchase batteries separately, but that was a minor inconvenience. Pros: it's highly portable and easy to store, has adjustable speeds and modes, and operates quietly. On the downside, I found that the remote control could be a bit finicky at times, and the lack of batteries in the package was slightly annoying. Overall, the Putnam Under Desk Elliptical is a solid choice for anyone looking to add some movement to their day, particularly for seniors or those in rehabilitation. I would recommend it for its ease of use and effectiveness in promoting joint mobility and muscle strength. Product number 2, MERACH Under Desk Elliptical. Next up is the MERACH Under Desk Elliptical, which I was eager to try out after hearing about its whisper-quiet performance. This elliptical boasts a sleek black design and weighs around 15 pounds, making it slightly heftier than the Putnam but still manageable. Right out of the box, I was impressed by the build quality. It feels sturdy and well-constructed. The 12-speed manual mode and 12 auto modes with P1 to P12 settings allowed for a great range of intensity levels. I loved how I could easily adjust the speed according to my workout needs, whether I wanted a light session while working or a more intense workout. The forward and reverse motion is a brilliant feature, as it engages different muscle groups and keeps my workouts dynamic. What stood out to me was the LED touchscreen. It was responsive and easy to read, showing all the necessary metrics like time, distance, speed, and calories burned. The remote control was a fantastic addition, allowing me to change the settings without interrupting my workflow. One of the biggest pros of this unit is its ultra-quiet operation. I often work late into the evening, and the thought of disturbing my neighbors or family was a concern. However, the MERACH operates at less than 15 dB, making it virtually silent. This is a game changer for anyone living in shared spaces. On the downside, I found that the compact design may not suit everyone. Taller users might find the height slightly limiting during use, so that's something to consider. But overall, if you're looking for a reliable, quiet elliptical that fits seamlessly into your work-from-home environment, the MERACH is a fantastic option. Product number 3, Cursor Fitness Under Desk Elliptical. The third product on my list is the Cursor Fitness Under Desk Elliptical. Right off the bat, I was drawn to its promise of turning sedentary time into productive exercise. With a sleek black finish and sturdy aluminum build, it felt robust and ready for action. The dimensions were slightly larger than the previous models, but it still fit comfortably under my desk. What really caught my attention was the HR and auto mode. I appreciated that I could adjust my workout time and speed through the remote, which made it easy to customize my sessions. The 12 speeds and 12 modes give plenty of variety, whether I wanted to push myself with some high-intensity pedaling or just keep things light. The forward and reverse motion feature is also a welcome addition. allowing for a more well-rounded workout that targets different muscles in the legs. One of the standout features is the mute setting, which I found especially valuable during late-night workouts. I could pedal away while watching TV, and the ultra-quiet operation meant I wouldn't disturb anyone nearby. The LCD monitor was straightforward, tracking all the essential metrics to keep me informed about my workout progress. However, I did find that it took a little getting used to in terms of adjusting the speed settings, as sometimes I would accidentally hit the wrong button. Additionally, while the remote control was handy, it occasionally required a firm press to register. But these were minor quirks that didn't detract significantly from the overall performance. In summary, the Cursor Fitness Under Desk Elliptical is an excellent choice for those wanting to blend work and exercise seamlessly. With its solid construction and thoughtful features, it's a great investment for anyone looking to stay active while seated. Product number 4, Sunny Health and Fitness Mini Stepper. I was excited to try the Sunny Health and Fitness Mini Stepper, especially given its reputation as a trusted brand. At first glance, the compact design was appealing. Weighing around 5.84 kilograms, it's incredibly easy to move around and store. This stepper is more than just a simple machine, it offers a full-body workout experience. The hydraulic system provides a smooth stepping motion, and I found the adjustable intensity feature to be incredibly user-friendly. Whether I wanted a quick burst of energy or a longer, steady workout, I could easily switch it up using the height adjustment knob. The removable resistance bands were a fantastic addition, allowing me to engage my upper body while working my legs. I noticed an immediate impact on my core and glute engagement, which made my workouts feel more productive. The LCD monitor tracking steps, time, and calories burned kept me motivated and informed about my progress. On the downside, I did find that the stepper required a bit of acclimatization, as the stepping motion was different from what I was used to with traditional ellipticals. Additionally, while it's designed for low-impact workouts, I could see how it might not be suitable for those with severe joint issues. However, for anyone looking for a versatile and compact workout machine, the Sunny Health and Fitness Mini Stepper is an excellent option. Product number 5, QBI JR1 Under Desk Elliptical. Finally, I got my hands on the QBI JR1 Under Desk Elliptical, which has made a splash in the fitness market lately. The first thing I noticed was its stylish design, available in a vibrant aqua color that instantly brightened up my workspace. Weighing roughly 30 pounds, it's sturdy without being too cumbersome. The QBI is all about convenience. It allows you to exercise while seated, making it perfect for those of us who work long hours at a desk. I loved how smooth the elliptical motion was. It felt incredibly low impact, which is essential for my knees. The built-in LCD display helped me track calories burned, strides pedaled, and distance traveled, keeping me motivated throughout my sessions. What sets the QBI apart is its mobile app integration. I could manually enter my workout stats, offering a more comprehensive overview of my progress and goals. This feature is especially beneficial for anyone wanting to take their fitness tracking seriously. On the downside, it does have a slightly larger footprint than some other models, so it may not fit as easily under every desk. Also, while it's incredibly user-friendly, I found that the intensity might not be sufficient for those looking for a more vigorous workout. Nevertheless, I would recommend the QBI JR1 Under Desk Elliptical for its ease of use and effective design, making it a great option for seniors or anyone looking to stay active while working. After diving deep into these 5 ellipticals, it's clear that each one caters to different needs and preferences. Whether you're a senior looking for something gentle on the joints or someone who wants to stay active while working, there's a perfect match here for you. I hope my experiences help you find the right elliptical to enhance your fitness journey. Remember, investing in your health is always worth it.